Yep, I broke another one.
Ever since I made the Sport Trac door handle replacement video, there have been multiple comments asking about or telling me about a metal door handle option instead of this cheap plastic. After some searching, I finally found the door handles everyone was talking about. These things got some heft. The handle part is exactly like the plastic ones, except metal. I don't think these will break anytime soon, though they will be colder in the winter. I'm not going to rehash the door handle install video. It stands well by itself. I'll use this video to cover some points not mentioned before and answer some comments from it. Someone commented on needing more light inside the door. Here you go. This is the front passenger door. These are the back side of the factory rivets. Here's that pesky yellow latch from the lever. Someone asked if they could use their fingers instead of a pick to open the latch. As far as I know, this latch has never been opened. 20-year-old plastic doesn't like to budge with pudgy fingers. The point where these plastic handles fail is right at the joint of the handle to the lever. Sometimes drilling rivets doesn't work. It always happens in a place a normal grinding wheel can't go. In those times, you need one of these carbide bit thingies. I could find some color match paint like the factory handles, but I like the black accent to the door. Adds some definition. I found these metal handles on eBay and later saw them on Amazon. Links to both are down below. Be sure to check out the full handle install video. Thanks for watching.